a tab where all your sound effects are organized. That's the sound library in DaVinci Resolve. To add your own sound to this library, select the three dot, choose Add Library and select the folder which contain all your sound effects. If you don't have your own sound library, you can download DaVinci's sound library from this tab directly. It will give you around 500 sound effects. After adding the sound to the library, you can search for the sound effects that you are trying to use. If you want to see all the sound effects added to the library, just search 3 asterisks.